Welcome back to another CC Thug 860 production.
Yes,
and we're back with another one.
Mm-hmm.
So, today,
we
stopped off, we went to Walmart and we copped some groceries. And then I see these bad boys just chilling. Sugar cookies. I wasn't expecting this one to be in the video, so that's why it's only two of them. Two of these cookies. Two of these sugar sandwich cookies. I don't even know it's focusing because we are terribly not have a monitor on deck. But this is what they look like. Ooh. Ooh. I think we need a producer.
Right there.
Could be someone on the other side looking at it. I'm trying to use different video methods. I gotta get a real camera. Stop being cheap. So, how we gonna do this? Me, you want to split one in half? I got diabetes, so.
Well, I'm gonna cut this in half too, so.
What?
Because I'm not just gonna bite into it.
Mm-hmm. Sugar cookie. Ooh.
Damn.
Ooh.
This shit looks so sugary.
Yeah, like diabetes waiting to happen. Death by sugar cookie. So the insides look like that. Oh, look at the camera. Ooh. Just kiss it. Just take a kiss. All right. And this is for John.
I like it. I think this will be perfect with some ice cream.
These are good.
Or some milk. Oh no, I'm not a fan of sugar cookies at all.
So do you like this or not?
I mean, it's not bad. Would I buy it again? No. Absolutely fucking not. But if somebody gave it to me.
You want some, John?
Oh, yes, please.
Me too, please.
Right. Stop. Here, that's yours. I'll hold that for you so it won't.
I'm about to dip it.
Stop. One more, right?
It, yeah.
I just dipped the whole cookie.
I know you love dipping cookies. All right. I'm not a fan of dipping cookies anyway. So, like I mentioned last time in the most stuff video, where she wanted to do another most stuff video, which I think is kind of redundant. But we did the Asian noodles, like 3 of those videos. But it's different flavor Asian noodles. Have most stuff. You want to do another video?
Yeah, but we could have put it in with this, you know. And Mia's here, she didn't try them.
Oh, you didn't do the most stuff with us?
How long was that?
Exactly.
Nope, she didn't do it. Most stuff cookies. We did it already. She want to pop out of nowhere and make videos with us, which is cool because she's starting her own YouTube channel soon, but not now. Oh, these are more. Whoa! What the fuck happened to that one?
Right? One's missing.
One's missing.
Two's missing.
One more clot. I'm sorry they cheat us out. All right.
2 of them.
2 of them are missing. All right. Grab them. Give the people one. Yo, something.
That's disrespectful.
That's how, because you're supposed to be taste testing. You just.
We are taste testing.
Yeah, like this pack. YouTube. You talking about you thought he being disrespectful? One. But this one, look, but hold before you go in. You go and just eat it. Notice how this one's different from the other one?
Yeah, I feel like these are fatter. All of them. Most of them are fatter.
Remember the other one we had? You couldn't see the seam when they creased them together.
Oh, yeah.
It was like one big fluffy piece. This one has a seam.
This one does still look.
I think I might have to.
All of them do.
I might have to go back into my other videos.
See how they're made.
And cut into it, show it with a close-up of this compared to the other one. Because this one you can see the same, the other ones you can't. All right, so, of course, we know these are banging.
Right.
Yeah.
What'd you give it? You gave it a 10 out of 10 last time.
I give them a 9 because I prefer the other ones better.
Oh, nah.
I like more cookie than the inside. That's
For this one, I give this cookie that I supposed to grade it last beginning of the video. I give it a 3. I don't like it.
I give it a 7.
It gets like a 6, yeah.
It just that doesn't magic food. There was another one, a chocolate chip one, but it was only one. So, and I got to do a video with this guy, so I brought 2.
I like that one.
I probably weighed a hell of a lot better than that was one. This. It was chocolate chips, so I know you would love it. I'll give you a 10 out of 10. Only bad thing about these, when you get them, you can get shit like that too. But This one, like, that's how I can.
So you got less.
Yeah, don't expect a lot of cookies. You get like, well, let's put some in here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's like 15 cookies in there. It is what it is. It's just all cream.
Right.
No, that's what's happening.
The cream.
They're
is taking-
fantastic though.
Cream is taking like 2 cookies.
I took one. So again, don't live life. Don't live life. Live life. So please don't do live life. Don't. And, live life. Don't let life live you.
And have a
Fantastic day. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all that happy stuff. $25 giveaway coming soon. Amazon gift card. Any shout outs for your channels?
No.
You don't got one yet. He's working on the gaming channel. She's working on the beauty channel. I'm working on my food channel. Bye. All right.
all right.